prove that three-phase symmetrical wound alternator generate only positive sequence components of the voltage. So in the beginning of the chapter also we had this prove that three-phase sequences only produces positive sequences. So now we are talking about the impedance of a system, and impedance will not be common for all the type of a machine. A transformer is different, transmission line is different, and motors are different. So in that case we are going to consider one of the symmetrical wound alternator which generates only positive sequence of component, that is a voltage. Means if you have a zero sequence, negative sequence, and positive sequence, it will going to show you that only positive sequence will be present in your symmetrical wound alternating generators. Okay, first copy down this diagram. So here in this they consider the star representation. It's your wish to select a star or delta. But normally first any of the design, if you consider star, will comes to our mind. So people are taking it in a star parameter. Have you copied down the question? So here again we are going to consider the sequences and operator of A and A square. So considering the moment, is it of 120 degree or is it of 240 degree, or else you can take it in a reverse order. The 240 degree can also be written as a 120 degree. So that parameter we are going to consider here. So I'll just move with the solution. So here in the diagram you can observe we have a sources EA, EB and EC. So these are nothing but your induced EMF sources in the star connection. Of course you have a impedances, you can see. You can represent as L or you can represent as a Z. And we have a three-phase representation A, B, C. Corresponding to that, we have a voltages EA, EB and EC. Okay. So similarly, you see to the diagram A, B and C. The combination we have to take it in a anti-clockwise, because we are saying that we are going to prove it in a positive sequence term. So we'll take the order of movement will be in the left direction, anti-clockwise direction. So in that case, you just see A to C. A to C have 120 degree, and similarly A to B have 240 degree. Or else, if I change the direction of movement, the direction is taken in the clockwise direction. Instead of writing a 240 in the anti-clockwise, you guys can write the same answer as minus 120 degree. Okay. So hope everyone has taken the diagram. So now we are going to substitute here. We are assuming, see, this is as unbalanced synchronous generator where we have a EB, EB, EC or the induced EMF of three phases. And your windings are symmetrical, and values, whatever is inducing here, EA is equals to EB is equal to EC. Means they are balanced and your values are equal. If I get 20 volt, so EB also 20 and EC also 20. So overall you can say it as in a one term. You can consider it as a complete phase voltage, VB also. So considering that as a symmetrical component, balanced system, you can write that term as EA is equals to EB is equals to EC. That is nothing but instead of representing A phase, B phase, C phase, you guys can directly take it as a V phase value. Means everywhere you can write it as a V phase. No need to specify EP or EA or EB or EC. Okay. And I already told you we are going to consider the angles. How far your A is moved. So A is 120 degree distance from C and A is 240 degree distance from B phase. When you assume it as a positive sequence. Similarly, if I make it in a reverse order in the sense, your direction, you're going to take it as A, this is B, this is C. So there is in a negative sequence. So then B will have a 120 degree and C will have a minus 120 degree. But now I'm going to take the first parameter. You guys are writing it right. First take down this. Assuming all symmetrical components, your value of EA is equals to EB is equals to EC. So this can be written as VP. So now we have, for the substitution purpose, because when I say negative sequence or positive sequence or zero sequence, your equation will be EA is equals to 1 by 3 into VA plus VB plus VC. But VA, VB, VC are having a different values. So that it has to be determined. So how we can do that? Same as the first derivation itself. So EA, of course, it is not varied with any of the angle. You are going to write it as VP at an angle of 0 degree. Similarly, EB is, as I said, it is moved 240 degree. You can write 240 or minus 120. In an anti-clockwise direction, if I take this is 240, 120 plus 120, 240. But if I take it in a clockwise direction, that is minus 120 degree. So because of that reason itself, here they are written it as EB is V phase at an angle of minus 120 degree. And the last one, C, of course, it is 120 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. You are going to represent as plus 120 degree. Fine. Any doubts here? ABC phase. And always in problems also, they may specify what phase has been given. Is it of ABC or is it of ACB? Just note down the first. EA is equals to, EB is equals to, EC is equals to. Okay, next we are going for the sequences because we have to specify in 0, positive and negative. Then only we will come to know whatever the statement has been given is correct, or are we going to prove only positive sequences present in the system. So first one, of course, they are taken directly 0 sequence. 0 sequence, already we know the formula 1/3 into EA plus EB plus EC. And already you have given the substitution. What is EA? VP at an angle of 0 degree. EB is VP at an angle of minus 120 degree. And last one is EC at an angle, VP at an angle of 120 degree. Can you please check out this? Is it necessary to go for rectangular conversion and to find the answer? You can do it directly. Is it possible to do it directly, guys? Because VP is an unknown term because we were not knowing what is the numerical representation. Let it be. But VP at an angle of 120, one is plus, one is minus. So plus, minus get cancelled. I'm going to left out with 0. 0 multiplied by anything. I'm going to get it as just 0 itself. So first sequence is 0. Is it correct, Sharath? Mathematically it is correct? Okay, guys, you try the same for the second one, positive sequence once. Positive sequence, copy down these values and try to get me what is the answer. Yes, Sharath, got the answer? Rashmi? Can you tell me what is the answer? See, if you don't respond, then I cannot do anything. You have to respond. Otherwise, answer is available. I'll show you. Rashmi, what is the answer? See, here again, you're going to get 120, 120 will get cancelled. It is also 0 itself. And here it is 120 plus 240, you're going to get 360 degree. 360 degree is nothing but again it is a, what is the value you're going to get it? Guys, can you tell me what is the answer? I don't know, I'm not getting any response at all. Sharath, Sahil, Rashmi, Subramani.
Ma'am, 363 minus 360 plus 360 is also cancelled, no ma'am?
How you will cancel, pa? See, this is minus 20, my plus 120. So this get cancelled, but this will be left over, no? This is not minus 360. You'll go to get plus 360. Check it out. Yes, others, what is the answer? So if you solve, you have to get EA1 is equals same as VP itself, because these two terms will be 0, but this will be act as a 1. So your answer will be EA, because EA is equals to EB is equal to CEC, that can be written as VP. So anything, if I'm here, I'm representing in terms of A sequence. So I'm going to write this as VA itself. Similarly, go for the second case, that is of negative sequence EA2. EA2 is 1 by 3. Your B phase is 240 degree and your C phase is 120 degree. So take down and represent the values here. 1 by 3. Then VP 120 plus 240. And here again it is 120 plus 120. 240 you are going to get it. Just check out these readings. After simplification, you are going to get again E2 as 0 itself. So from these two, you can observe 0 sequence again, your output is 0, and negative sequence it is, our output is 0. But last positive sequence, we are going to get the answer. So as per the question, it is given that we need to prove symmetrical components which are present in generator is only positive sequence. Of course, as per the diagram, as per the representation of a ABC combination, we guys are going to get an answer called 0, EA and 0. So this proves, see, from the result we observed, it can be inferred that a three-phase symmetrical volt alternator generates only positive sequence component of voltages. So in any of the calculation, if they give about a generator with a symmetrical components, you can take directly a positive sequence. Remaining negative and the 0 sequence can be made as